Okay, so today we're going to show how to change your forum preferences. And there's more than one way to do that, but here's an easy way. When you're logged into your course, here we see someone logged into anti-Black racism in the US. You go to your profile. So you're going to go to the top here where you see your photo. Here I'm logged in as a test learner. And you're going to click on this little arrow. And one of the choices is preferences. There's a little spanner there for preferences. So you click on preferences. And there are various preferences. The one we need is called forum preferences. So it's on the left here. You click on forum preferences. And the default is no digests. So chances are, this is your first course, or you haven't changed since you became a student at the Wilman Institute, yours will say no digest, which means you get an email each time someone posts in the forum. So you can change that. There are two things you can change it to complete digest. A complete digest is a daily email. That's one email per day with all of the posts, all of the content from the posts for that day or that 24-hour period. You can also choose subjects. A subjects digest means you get one email per day, a daily email, but only the subjects of those posts are showing, not the full content of the post. You need to click through to go to the Moodle page to check out what is going on in those posts. So let us change this to complete daily email with full posts. This is normally set at yes. When you post, you want to subscribe to the forum discussion. It is considered that if you do post in a forum, you want to follow up what's going on in that particular forum. And then you can also change this. This is forum tracking. It can be very helpful for Moodle to keep track of the posts you have seen. So we recommend that you say yes, highlight new posts for me, and mark the post as read when it's read. Okay, so we're going to save those changes. You must click Save Changes for this to change. And there you are. You have edited your forum preferences. Thank you.